Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your love reading and we'll see what you and them are up to. Alright, so let's see what are the messages from the universe for this love connection. So we'll be looking at your blockages between both of you and the action which you and they are going to take and the final outcome of the situation. Alright, so let's proceed with your reading now. For those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well. So this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, let's start with my Pisces. Last shuffle please. What is it? Okay. At the back of the deck, it's the devil with the 2 of coins. All right. So this is the energy between both of you. You know, both are attracted towards each other a lot. This is an attraction which is, you know, which goes and comes back. Somehow you just meet this person again. It is like that energy where this person goes, then again somehow you meet again. This is that kind of an energy. All right, so let's see. A very strong attraction, I would say. The lovers. Okay, let's see what else we have. Okay, so how you see them as the lovers, you see them as the one who, you know, they know how to love, they know how to talk. Basically that is how you look at them, and how they see you as the Hierophant, the very wise person of, you know, a very wise person, a person who is really good in talking, a person who is good in counseling, a person who is good in advising. That plus they also see you as the marriage person, marriage material, because you might be, you know, they might even want to marry you. That is how they look at you. Okay, so let's see what is the lovers, what are the cards. Let's clarify. What is the lovers in the situation? Why is the lovers here? Why is the lovers here? Hierophant, the marriage card. So it's not them, it's you as well. I see that it's more of a situation where both of you, I think, want the same things. 9 of Wands, but something is guarding this thing, you know, something, there's a blockage over here. Let's see, what is this? Why is this 9 of Wands over here? Okay, 4 of coins is here. Someone is still not letting go of the past, and someone is very that kind of energy of arrogance and dominance. So someone might be really dominating, so that is why this person might not be able to let go of the past, because I really feel that this person is a past lover of yours. Because with the 2 of Pentacles in that back of the deck with the devil, it's like the same person is coming again and again in your life. So it's like an infinity cycle, you know, you are in this cycle, you both are, and the universe is rotating both of you, you know. Again you meet at one point, like how the infinity works. It starts from here, then meet again, then again here and here. So at one point you meet this person again and again. So that is how the world revolves. So this is something like that. And but still, you know, there is some kind of a blockage that you do not know even, that if you are meant to be together, then why we are not together? Why are we meeting again and again? Why? What is this connection? You are not able to understand. Let's see, why is the Hierophant in their side? 8 of Pentacles. Okay, what else? Knight of Swords. Knight of Cups and Page of Wands. All right, so I think they are really, they are ready to just come really fast and offer you the cup of love, which is, you know, they are really very passionate about you. They are feeling like, oh my god, I really want this person in my life. They really want to work on this relationship. Whatever you are working on, whatever is happening, they actually want this thing to happen, I'm seeing. Okay, so what is the blockage then? Queen of Pentacles. Why is this Queen of Pentacles here? Why the Queen of Pentacles? 4 of Wands and 6 of Wands. What else? Anything else? Page of Cups. Okay, so the blockage is a marriage. Might be the person is married to someone else, or there's some kind of thing, it's more like that is something, arrogance is also coming up in my mind, the word arrogance. There is some kind of a thing, the person, either you or them, there is someone who is actually working a lot. Might be the Queen of Pentacles, might be a Capricorn, but it's more like that this person is in an energy where this person might have just started their business, or you might have started something new, and that is why, they are more into their going towards their success, and their success is defined by their happiness. When they will achieve success, they will be happy. So that is more, the love is not an issue over here. Love is not a main concern over here, I'm seeing. It's more of their work, their life, something like that. So that was an issue. For some of you, it is a marriage as well, that other person or you might be married. So that is why this 9 of Wands came up. That is why the blockage, you cannot contact this person, or they cannot contact you. Either ways, take it how it resonates. So let's see this Page of Rods in your action. Let's see what is your action. What is this Page of Rods? I think you are going to start the conversation. This is a stalker card as well, but this is not a bad stalker. A Page of Swords, it gathers information, but Page of Rods is just a stalker, just curious basically about the other person, what this person is doing. So that is what you are actually. You are just doing nothing. You are more of a stalker. You are stalking this person, how this person is becoming so beautiful and so involved in their work, and have become so mature. What else? 10 of Swords. So this might be an ending because of this person is not able to, you might not be able to take a step. Let's say, why is this 10 of Swords over here? Why is the 10 of Swords over here, please? One more time. Why is the 10 of Swords here? 4 of Cups. Okay, so I'm seeing that you might be afraid that this person might reject the offer because of the last time ending. So I'm seeing that this, for some of you, this is an old person only, and who has come again in your life, and the last time whenever it ended really bad, and you are afraid of getting rejected again. So that is why this might be them as well, but it's more of your energy. Either you are going to reject the offer, or they are going to. There is a fear from both the ends. Let's see the 6 of Cups in their side. So many cards, I'm not going to take them. What else do we have? Six of Cups, Page of Pentacles, and what else, please, universe? King of Cups, okay, and Three of Pentacles. Okay, I see that there is some kind of reconciliation which they also want, but you know, it's like a small hello hi kind of a message which they might give it to you, they might send to you, because they have that kind of a love for you. Might be a Scorpion with whom you are dealing with, but this is more of an energy where this person has a lot of, you know, that soft corner and that love, intense love for you. You know, you might be, they might be even thinking about you, some memories, old memories, and they really want to fix this connection. Whatever was unfixed, now they want to fix it. The overall outcome of the situation is the Knight of Swords. Let's see what is this Knight of Swords about. Why is this Knight of Swords here? Three of Cups. So it is a reconciliation, and it is really going to come fast with the Knight of Swords, really fast. Let's see what else. Queen of Cups. See, we have the Queen of Cups from the same deck and the Queen of Cups as well. So there is a connection, you know, very intuitively connected. This is that kind of a connection where you might be afraid that they might reject you, or you might be the one who reject you, but you know, from both the ends I can see that both want the same things, both want that reconciliation to happen, and there is some kind of love, you know, reconciliation will happen, and it is going to come really fast. Alright, so that's all, Pisces. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.